Hi friends, today I wanted to show you about the AC issue from Mclaren. I mean, my AC is working. The issue is when you turn on the AC, it's cooling, but it's not cool enough, it's not very cold. It's warm. That's why, I mean, the center is cooling, but just sides, no, it's warm. That's why I replaced the filter. As you see, the cabin filter, it didn't fix, and also after a few review, unfortunately I couldn't find the gas charge location, I mean Freon gas location. And after searching the car, and I find you have to remove the wheel and carpet liner. After that, you can see the gas location, charging gas location. Remember, this is the Porsche, okay? Don't touch to this. No, this is the Porsche. Very stupid design of the Mclaren. Shame of you, Mclaren. I mean, with this stupid design. You are stupid and your car is a stupid design. Okay? Look. This is the, do you see that? This is the gas location. You have to charge the gas. Okay? The deepest one. I mean, I'm very sad about the design because very stupid. Like this in the back location. They have to install here, they put it there. And also maybe ask me what kind of gas we have to charge to the Mclaren. You have the label on the chassis. Do you see? R134A gas, and do you see this is for 570. I mean, maybe 720 is different a little bit, I don't know. Now I'm gonna charge the gas. Remember, you have like this I-34. Okay guys, I connected the gas line. Do you see? Maybe you see it's red, but no, because the car is off. When I turn on the car, automatically goes down, probably to here. Do you see that? Okay. Right now, I'm gonna start the car and see what's going on. As you see, the gauge is coming down. Okay guys, after I charged the Freon gas, now the car is cooling well. Just remember, McLaren sometimes get this kind of issue. I mean, have a lot of issue, but this is one of the problems. I hope it's useful. Just please like, subscribe. Thank you so much.